Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Samar Rajiv with student ID number 2023-138. Okay, in this video I will explain you about step-by-step process of setting up an OpenVPN server and client on Kali Linux using Easy-RSA for certificates generation and UFW as a firewall. In step 1, I will install required package. This command install two important packages, OpenVPN and the VPN software. Easy-RSA, a toolkit to build your own certificate authority or CA for creating secure keys and certificates. And step 1, create the Easy-RSA directory. This creates a directory named OpenVPN/CA in your home folder. It will contain all the files needed to generate case certificates and configuration files using Easy/RSA. In step 3, enter the Easy-RSA directory. Navigate into the OpenVPN/CA directory so you can begin generating cryptographic material. Step 4, edit certificate variables. This open the parse file using the nanotext editor. Inside the file, you customize the default values for your certificates that will be used when generating certificates and keys. Step 5, initialize the PKI directory. Initialize the public key infrastructure folder structure. This is required before creating any certificates or keys. Step 6, build the certificate authority. Generates the root CA certificate and private key. This is the foundation of trust for your VPN. It will be used to sign all server and client certificates. Step 7, generate server certificate request. Generate a certificate signing request and private key for the server. The no pass option means the private key will not be password protected. Step 8, sign the server certificate. Sign the server CSR using the CA, turning it into a valid certificate trusted by the VPN system. Step 9, generate and sign silent certificate. These two commands create and sign the client certificate and key, which are used to authenticate the client to the server. Step 10, generate DV element parameter. Creates a DHE key file use the secure exchange encryption keys between the server and client. Step 11, generate TLS key. Creates a shared secret key that adds another layer of encryption to the control channel. It prevents certain attacks like packet injection. Next step is copy certificates and keys to OpenVPN folder. This command copy the generate.crt.key and .pem and .key file to appropriate directories in so the OpenVPN service can access them. And next step, create server configuration file. This opens the server configuration file for editing. Inside, you define how the VPN server operates, which protocol to use with certificates to load what's IP rank to assign client, DNS setting, logging behavior, and etc. Next step, create log directory. Create a directory to store logs for OpenVPN session, which help monitor and debug VPN activity. Start and enable OpenVPN server. Start the OpenVPN server and enable it to auto-start on system boot. This ensures that your VPN service remains active after restart. Next step, enable IP forwarding. Editing this file allows Linux to forward network traffic between VPN client and other network, which is essential for routing. And next step is allow VPN port and SSH on firewall. This command tells the UFW firewall to allow traffic on port using by OpenVPN and SSH, so you don't get locked out. Configure the client. This command creates the client configuration file where you define the VPN server IP address and port, the certificates and keys to use for authentication. Encryption setting. This file allows the client to connect securely to the server. And this is for C, the all folder in the system. There are 8 folders in the system. Sudo systemctl start OpenVPN and add client. Start the OpenVPN client process using the configuration in etc openvpn client.conf. It initiates the VPN connection to the answer. Okay, in this video about my step-by-step in OpenVPN client, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.